Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be tracking my spending from December the 2nd through the 9th. And as long as I've been tracking my video, I did something this week that I've never done before. So stay tuned to find out what that is. Alright guys, it's time to tell who won the corn jar. I only had 5 participants, but thank you to those 5 participants and thank you to everyone who's watching my video. So the winner is, drum roll please, Gina Renee Budget. Yeah, Gina Renee, you are the winner of the corn jar. I'll get in touch with you so I can send you your corn jar. So let's get back into the video. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'll be tracking my spending from Thursday the 2nd through the 9th. And as you can see, there's nothing on the 2nd, but because guess what? I did not even track my spending that day. That's something I've never done. So I'm gonna put a question mark right there. I know for a fact it was not a no spend. I do know that. So this week was just I was kind of laid back. So I mean, like I always say, you can just try to do better next week. So that Friday, I did go to the grocery store and I picked up, so this blue is for groceries, so I did pick up a gallon of milk, which was $3.28. So that came out the grocery category. And that Saturday, I bought my milkshake. Y'all pray for Mrs Vee with these milkshakes, honey. I'm getting better, but oh well. And that Sunday I went to the Dollar Tree and spent, I'm gonna have to turn this to the side because I'm behind the camera. So Dollar Tree is purple. I spent $12.10. Then I went back to the grocery store, Walmart, and spent like $25. I used my credit card. So I gotta get more organized with using my credit card and repaying it. I'm doing good, but I just want to be a little bit more organized because I'm kind of paranoid, because you know I paid those credit cards off and I don't want to get back in debt. So yeah. So, and I went to Family Dollars and spent $6.33. I got some more little things to go on my Christmas tree, and that came out of spending. And then personal, my husband got him some deodorant, the expensive deodorant, so that was $10. And then I did it again on Monday the 6th. I did not track my spending, but I do know that it was not a no spend. So on the 7th, I did a lot of spending. I'm going to go ahead and take $15 out for the eating out. I know I did it, and the rest of it was $6 in spending. So I spent a total of $21. I remember that day. I did a lot of eating out and whew, okay. We're gonna keep going. On the 8th, I spent like $4.50, $5.50. I spent like $5.50 out of spending. I got some breakfast in the cafeteria, where in the cafe they call it. And I bought me a soda, and then I got me a milkshake later on when I get off. And then on the 9th, I did a lot of spending. So out of spending category, I did $23, $24, $27 out of spending. I bought some things to make my granddaughter a birthday pin. I inserted on the screen. And then I bought some more business things, but I've since took this money out of spending and put it in my credit card repayment for my business, because some of it was glitter and stuff for my business. And if you didn't know, I have an online business where I sell keychains and glitter ink pens and soon to be birthday pens. I'll leave the link to the online store on the screen and also in the description box. So yeah, so that is what I spent for this week. So let me get my wallet out and see what we have left. Okay, I got my wallet. So this is what we have. Let's see. For, what is this? Let me zoom you back out. Wrong way, Mrs Vee. There you go. Household, I did not buy anything, so I still have my $10 for household. Personal, remember I spent the entire $10. Spending, let's see how much we have. This is approximate because remember I had 2 days, I don't even know what I spent. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I spent about $55 of my spending money. So far that's 10 and 55, so that's $65. So we're gonna put this back because I gotta put this in my Mrs Vee rollover envelope when I do my cash stuffing. Dollar Tree, remember I spent like $12.10, so I got $3 left. Restaurants, you know, I'll never have nothing, but one of my beautiful supporters did send me a Starbucks gift card. Thank you, Darlene. And groceries, I had like $20 left, so that's 68 plus 20, so I got 88 so far. And then that's it. So I budget $200 a week minus 88, so 200 minus 88. So I spent the $112 this week out of $200. So $88 will go into my Mrs Vee envelope. And yes, for this week, I think I'm going to treat myself to a manicure. As you can see, I need them. I'm going to go ahead and give me some gel. A gel manicure. I want me a pedicure. And I'm also going to get my eyebrows waxed. So yeah, I'm going to treat myself this week. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you. And have a nice day.